Listen carefully. This isn't another car list. It's a quiet trap dressed as status, and you're being invited in. Those chrome badges, leather smells, and limited editions are not freedom. They are chains with a monthly payment attached. Every flash of prestige hides maintenance bills that climb like weeds, insurance that laughs at your budget, and depreciation that eats your equity while you sleep. You will be told owning one proves you've made it. That lie costs you years of financial freedom, sleepless nights over surprise repairs, and the slow erosion of options you thought were yours. By the end of this video, you'll know which 5 SUVs and luxury cars sell you a dream and deliver a death sentence. And you'll learn the exact red flags that let you walk away, calm and money intact. 1. Range Rover. The Range Rover looks like a king's chariot. Luxury, elegance, and authority all wrapped into one. But the truth? It's infamous for reliability disasters. Electrical systems fail, suspension collapses, engines misbehave, and each repair bill isn't hundreds, it's thousands. And these problems don't happen once. They keep coming like clockwork. Insurance punishes you. Fuel economy is laughable, and the value plummets the second you drive it off the lot. You're not buying prestige, you're buying a money-hungry headache that never stops feeding. 2. BMW X7. The X7 is BMW's flagship luxury SUV, a giant statement piece. But beneath the badge, it's a financial black hole. Depreciation alone can erase tens of thousands within a few years, turning your investment into a nightmare. Routine maintenance like oil changes and brakes cost 2 to 3 times more than average, simply because of the BMW name. And when something breaks, and it will, you're paying premium labor and premium parts. The X7 doesn't just drain your bank account, it teaches you a painful lesson about chasing status symbols. 3. Mercedes-Benz GLS, marketed as the S-Class of SUVs, the GLS promises royalty on wheels. But that promise is chained to extreme upkeep. Repairs are not optional. They're inevitable and astronomically expensive. Even routine servicing feels like highway robbery. Leasing, the hidden fees, mileage penalties, and mandatory warranties keep you locked in a cycle of endless payments. The GLS isn't a car you own. It's a financial contract you sign with no way out, unless you're ready to bleed cash year after year. 4. Cadillac Escalade. The Escalade is bold, flashy, and screams power. But here's what it really screams: financial waste. The fuel economy is catastrophic, meaning every mile you drive burns your wallet faster than the engine burns gasoline. Insurance costs skyrocket because of its size and luxury tag. And while it might not break down as often as its European rivals, the repairs it does need are painfully expensive. Add massive depreciation, and suddenly, the Escalade turns from a symbol of dominance into a symbol of financial submission. 5. Porsche Cayenne. The Cayenne seduces you by blending sports car speed with SUV practicality. But it's nothing more than an expensive illusion. Maintenance is brutal. Brakes, tires, and routine servicing cost 2 to 3 times more than average SUVs. It guzzles premium fuel like water, and its resale value drops sharply within a few years. You're not paying for practicality or luxury. You're paying to keep the Porsche badge alive, while your bank account slowly suffocates. The Cayenne isn't a thrill. It's financial punishment disguised as excitement. And now, here's the uncomfortable truth. These SUVs and luxury cars aren't just vehicles. They're traps dressed as trophies. They sell you pride, but deliver debt. Some of you watching right now are probably nodding, thinking, yes, I've seen friends go broke with these exact cars. But others of you might be angry, ready to defend your favorite brand because you love how it feels to drive. That's exactly why I made this video. Because people either wake up to the financial truth or they cling to the illusion. So tell me honestly, which side are you on? Would you still buy one of these cars, knowing the financial nightmare waiting behind the wheel? Or do you think the status is worth the sacrifice? Drop your answer below, because this is where the real battle starts: pride versus practicality. And I want to see which one wins in the comments.